gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Slater's State Circus, live from the Big Top. You're going to see amazing tightrope walking and amazing tricks like this. Whoa. Yes, hi, thank you very much.
Come on, Sooty.
But without further ado, please welcome the performers from Slater's State Circus. Where are they? Oh, hello.
Hello, what time does the show start?
Oh, it's this afternoon, Sue, if the circus performers turn up, that is.
Oh.
Oh, it's Mr. Slater. Hello, Mr. Slater. How's the circus? Well, the performers aren't actually here yet, but I'm sure they will be. If they don't arrive, I'll get the sack.
It's got to be round here somewhere.
Why don't you knock on this door? Somebody could give us directions.
Hey, great idea. Oh, hello. I wonder if you can help us. We're lost. We're trying to find the Big Top. No, not the big shop. The Big Top. No, not the big shop. The Big Top. Top. Oh, right. I think I've got that. Come on, guys.
No, Sooty, you can't be in the show. I need everything to go smoothly today.
Oh, Richard!
Look, why don't you two go out and enjoy yourselves?
Oh.
I'll worry about everything here, then you can come back later and hopefully see the circus.
Oh, yes, great!
Oh, hello, Sweep. Now, you haven't seen any circus performers, have you? Just some shoppers?
Come on, Sweep, we're going out.
This is staff announcement. Can we please have all staff available to the checkout, please? Thank you very
Oh, what a good idea, Sooty. The bird garden. I've always wanted to come here. That was incredible!
Thank you very much. I'm Norman.
Hello, Norman.
What's the matter, Sooty? What do you mean, where do the batteries go? They don't run on batteries. No, they're live birds.
That's Percy, Cyril, Harold, Jean-Pierre.
Of course they're very clever, yes.
They certainly are. Look at this. Sit still. There you go.
Look at that!
Look at you. You look really good.
Oh, Sooty.
Yes, that's smashing.
What's that, bird brain? Oh, it's nearly time for the circus.
Well, I like circus. We like circuses, don't we, boys?
Would you like to come?
I'll ask the gang. Shall we go to the circus? Yes.
Great. Well, we'll see you later then.
Why, that's good. See you there.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Oh, hello, you three. Hey, you haven't seen the circus performers on your travels, have you? The audience are coming in.
No.
Oh, this is a disaster. Mr. Slater said he was going to give me the sack if anything went wrong. What am I going to do?
Easy, Wizzy. Let's get busy.
Oh, no.
Go on, Richard. We know lots of tricks.
Hey? And you don't need batteries?
No.
Batteries? Oh, I'm not sure about this. Hey! Hey, come back!
Okay, everything's going to be fine. What's that, Sooty? Right, everything will be fine. We won't let you down, Sooty. We don't want to let him down.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Sooty's Circus! We promised you a circus full of performers, and here they are. It's Mr. Norman Barrett and his amazing budgies!
Hold tight. Up. Good boys. 1, 2, and 1, wait, 3. That's fine. Oh, good boy. That's it. Come on, come on. Good boy. That's it. One more time, jump. That's better, sir. Up. Good boy. That's fine. Thank you. That's right. You've got it going now. Watch very carefully. Here we go. This is it. Ready, right. Up 1. Come on. Up 2. Come on. Up 3. Up 4. Up 5. Right, don't sit on the car. Now, what's going to happen? He's going to run along. Sorry about that. You don't know what you're doing, do you? Let me try. Look, show him what to do. Look. All you've got to do is run along the table and sit on the car. Sooty, what shall I do with them? Sort them out? Good idea, that. Better get down. Get out of the way. Please, I misfire. There you go. Okay. Now look. All you've got to do when I say quick as you can, come on. Quick. Not me. Don't sit there. Done it all wrong. On the car. Hurry up. Good boy. You're doing very good.
And now for the stars of the show. Those crazy clowns, Sooty and Sweep!
Over here.
Oh.
What's that, Mr. Slater? I'm sorry, I can't quite hear you. Is the show a success? Well, you could say it's a flying success. Listen. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye.
Wizz, the home of ABCs, 1, 2, 3s, and all your favourite kids' TV characters. Now let's find kids' TV. Or I can press this microphone. Wizz. That's how easy it is.